Omega Speedmaster 38M watch. Main features are crystal is scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment on both sides. Water resistance is 10 bar, 100 meters or 330 feet. Total product weight is 132 grams. Movement caliber Omega 3330. Movement type is self-winding. Power reserve is 52 hours approximately. Between lugs, distance is 18 m. Lug-to-lug distance is 44.9 m. Case thickness is 14.7 m. Case diameter is 38 m. Case material is steel. Dial color is black. Bracelet material is steel. Other features are chronograph, chronometer, date, small seconds, tachymeter. Coaxial caliber, 3330 movement. Made for those who want to wear an icon. With a black aluminum bezel ring and black dial with rhodium-plated indexes and hands. Having perfect chronograph with an adventurous spirit. Shock resistance.